Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another Tonic craft kit. I think this is craft kit number 68, if I'm not mistaken. Let's get on into this baby. Y'all know I love my craft kits. Alright, so let's see what we got. Okay, the first thing I see is they're advertising for their stamp club. And some of these little brushes here, precision blender brushes. Okay. First thing, let's see. Let's get our papers out. Y'all know I like to do my papers in this handy dandy sleeve. Okay, and I need to get the thing out. Cool. Okay. So yes, this one is number 68, and it is assorted frames. Wow, assorted frames. So let's look at this beautiful paper that we got. The first one is pearlescent card, white pearlescent card. Are these backwards? Let me see. Might be. Let me get. Yep. All right. So this one is classic card. Sugar lilac, that beautiful purple. Then we got fuchsia pink. That doesn't look like fuchsia pink to me though. It just looks like a light pink. No, this is ballet pink. My bad. Ballet pink. Ballet pink. This is another pearlescent card, and this one is fresh mint. Fresh mint. Beautiful pastel colors. Then we got another classic card. This one is called Grass Green. Grass Green. Here is the Fuchsia Pink classic card. Fuchsia Pink. Then we got Buttermilk Yellow classic card. I love the classic card with that weave. And then we have a glitter card, White Sugar Crystal. Absolutely love this. Is one of my favorite, white crystal. So that is a beautiful collection there. I love, love, love these colors. Absolutely beautiful. So let's get, because my dogs are just barking out there today. Alright, so let's see. Let's see what we have open in the bag here. Alright, so here are the extras today. Ooh, we got some more dimensional foam pads, and these are white because they do have black ones as well. I love these small ones to put behind projects. We got some huge envelopes, card blanks and envelopes this time. These are 7 by 7. Good googly boo. Wow. 7 by 7, guys, and these are bright white. And there are, how many in here? 10. Set of 10. Wow. And another stamp cleaning cloth. I think this is I bought one on my own, and then I think I got two. One from another kit, and now this one. I absolutely love these cleaning cloths. I use it for cleaning the stamps off. Yes, it works very well. Then our Nouveau bag. Let's see what we got in our Nouveau bag. Alright, so it looks like this month we got embossing powder, embossing powder, get it right, dog. And this one is silver moonlight. Moonlight. There is an ink pad. Oh, this says clear mark. So this must be, it's an embossing pad. Oh, wow. So, for embossing with that embossing powder, let's see what it looks like. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's cool. Yes, I'll definitely be using that. That's easier when you got the smaller ones too sometimes. Then we got, which one is this? Crystal Drops in Wisteria Purple. Look at that beautiful shine, guys. Wisteria Purple. And I think I have that one. And then we got a hybrid ink pad. Is there a color? Oh, there is. See, Safari Green. Absolutely loved it. We got a full ink pad. Not one of the small ones like this. We got a big one. Look at that pretty color. Safari Green. Have to try it out. See if I'm going to start getting that collection. Now, let's look at this beautiful thing that we have here. It's called Assorted Frames. Y'all know I like to put that right on the front. Wow. Okay. So it comes with a beautiful stamp set. Thank you. Love and hugs with love. Never stop dreaming. Amen. Well done, and you'll be missed. This is cute. I love these sentiments. Then we got the frames, guys. Oh, wow. So this is one frame here, and you just move it around. So when you cut it out here, you would cut it out probably twice because it looks like it goes this way and that way. So you cut this one out twice. Oh, look at this. This frame is pretty too. That's twice. And this little bar square fits these. Yep. So when you stamp, you got that. Oh, wow. To go straight in the center. Look at this pretty one. This one right here can make a circle. It's kind of angled, but it has a curve to it. So doing two of those will make a circle. Then you got this one here. Wow. That one has like a little curve here too. So let's see if it goes this way. You might have to do 3 of those maybe. Then you have this one here. Wow. You have to do 4 of these because it's just one straight. And then look at the beautiful flowers you can add. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2 leaves. This one has a leaf here. I wonder if that can go on top of there. This is awesome, guys. And then it looks like we got some sentiments that you can cut out for a friend. Oh, for a friend. Your friend. Oh, I think that's what it says. And just to say. Now that's cool. I like that. Then you also have the matting dies, guys. Look at that. So if you want to do a double layer, let's just say this one here, you can cut it out, have the intricate part, and then have the matting double layer behind it to add a different color. This is a beautiful kit this month. Absolutely love it. So have y'all picked up this kit? I absolutely love how you have the frames, guys. This is going to be great for making frames on your cards, any kind of project you use. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. This is the Assorted Frames from Tonic Studios. Y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.